And I'm scared today because thunderstorm. Okay, just kidding. It's raining outside. Yeah, I can't use my iPad because it's raining. So I'm telling you because this is scary. Ready, set, go. Oh my God, that hurt my ears. Loud one hurts my ears. 3, 2. I can't flick. Well, I can flick, but I just can't. I can't click. See this? I think I flicked for a sec. Okay, but I don't know. This is gonna be 1 minute. Okay, goodbye.